Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Went to Clevedon today, got a bit carried away. Nothing cost me more than £1 individually, but I did buy rather a lot of things. Start off at the top of the pile. The amazing world of Makoto Nakamura's Perpetual puzzles. The Lagoon group. Okay, as far as I know, this is lots of little parrots, and you can just keep making puzzles with it. Shall we have a look inside? Cost me £1 anyway. How do we get it open? Oh, that lifts up. Right, yes. Lots of parrots, and they sort of link together in various ways. So we'll have a look at that sometime. I think you can do various variations, try and make the colours match or something. Yeah, no parrot touches another parrot of the same colour. Okay, well we might have a go at that sometime. Next on the list, £1. I've actually done one of these before, one of those wooden clip together kits, grasshopper. This one came from Wilko, but I've no doubt it's made by the same people that make the Woodcraft ones. Yeah, okay, put that on my pile of toys. Oh, we'll do the book next. I bought this because I thought it might interest one of my grandchildren. How to Identify Trees. It's a UK edition, I don't know about other parts of the world. How to Identify 50 Species. Cost me £1. Talks you through how to identify them. That might be something fun to do on a day out with them. That was £1. Then again we've got another wooden kit. This one's a dog. And this is one of the Woodcraft construction kits. M011. Height 13 centimetres, length 30 centimetres, width 7 centimetres. I've got quite a pile of these. Sometimes my grandsons are interested, sometimes they're not. Right, next, now this is a bit of a teaser really. I've got a request from Batty Bowman to make a scratch built Big Ben from my pizza trays that I keep making things from. And when I saw this 3D puzzle, Ravensburger 3D puzzle, Big Ben London, number 125548, 216 pieces, I thought, well, I'll buy it anyway because it will give me some references to actually make my own scratch built version. So I'll make that sometime, but the reason for buying it is really to give me something to work on as a guide to make my own. So Big Ben, that cost me £1. 3 more things. Oh, these didn't cost me £1. A plastic boomerang, Blue Harbour from Marks and Spencer's, 49 pence. That's probably all it's worth, if that. But I did study it, and it has actually got a little bit of incidence set to the blades. So even though they're just hollow, it might work. Told you how to throw it. Grip loosely, launch overarm at 20-degree angle to your body. Watch your boomerang as it returns and catch as illustrated between both hands and at 90 degrees to your body. Well, I'll put it in the back of the car and we'll give it a try sometime. This was in the same 49p box. I've got one of these upstairs somewhere in a box. I doubt whether I'll get anything to actually talk to it. It's another infrared. I never have any luck talking to infrared. It's got no charge in it at the moment. If nothing else, it'll have a motor and a gearbox in it that we should be able to use for something, even if we can't control it infrared. So 49p, I thought it was worth having. And then finally, a Rubik's Cube, Rubik's Spark. Tilt the box for a 30-second demo. I should think the batteries have gone in this. 6 single or multiplayer games. Seek and destroy, find and land on the flashing light to destroy them. Light up the cube. Can you light up the whole cube? Rubik's DJ. No rules here, just have fun making music. Oh, so it plays the tune as well, does it? Tilt and zap. How quick are your reflexes? Can you zap the lit cube in time? Follow the path. Test your memory and cost the sparks growing sequence. And snacking snake, guide the snake to the flashing food cubes. The more he eats, the bigger he gets. So, we'll have a look at that in a second. Or should I make it a separate video? We'll see. Obviously it'll need some batteries anyway. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.